this is how I would use the Pine editor on TradingView. Now, the Pine editor is TradingView's native code where you can run scripts which will essentially turn into trading decisions. So what do we mean? In order to find the Pine editor, you need to look at the right toolbar on your screen and look towards this Pine here. Once you left click, you can see that this is a script. Now, either you could write your own script or you could search for one that is already made by the community. So what do we mean by that? You can see that we don't have a script that we've written. And personally, I'm not a coder. So I'd have to use either AI to create a code or I'd get one from the community. So in order to get one from the community, that is not what we have to do. We need to look to the top left of our screen. We need to left click and then move to the home button. On the home button, once the page loads in, you will use the search bar right around here, where you will go to scripts and you can find scripts for Pine. For example, popular searches are gold, XAU USD. And then we can simply click on one. So the first one that came out, the hyperbolic by Quantalgo. And what we can do is left click, use on chart. So once we've done that, you can see that the chart has now opened and we are using the Pine editor script on our chart as well. So this is fairly interesting. So that is how you would essentially add in the scripts made by others. So what I'm guessing, because I haven't actually read it, this essentially is some sort of moving average, which once there is a crossover, you can see it as a potential buying opportunity or even a selling opportunity. Nonetheless, this is how you would use Pine and this is how you could add scripts to your chart.